Okay, so once you open up your Yahoo email, you're going to come over here and you're going to toggle to the contacts. Then you're going to come over here to the three buttons. You're going to click Add New Contact. You're going to put 9th Street Media as the first name of the contact. You don't need to worry about a middle or a last name. Under email, the first email you want to put is my email, 9th Street Media mail at gmail.com. And then once you enter it, you're going to click Add Email. Now, you're going to repeat this process for each of the emails in the drop-down menu that I sent you. So, for example, we're going to copy and paste the next one, mymarketingjedi at Gmail. Copy that. We're going to come here. We're going to paste it. And each time you put an email in, you're going to click Add Email to add it to the list. So, again, we're going to do that for the entire list. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to do one more. And then, but you'll want to make sure you do all of the emails from the email that I send you when you actually do it. So again, once you get all the emails entered and click Add Email, then what you're going to do is you're going to come under Phone and you're going to put in our phone number, which is 888-675-1075, in case somebody needs to call you from the office. And you're going to click Add Phone in order to lock that in. Then once you're done, you're simply going to come down here and click Save. Every now and so there's a chance that even though you've added these emails to the contact, there's a chance that they might still get sent to your spam folder. And if you do find them, look, ironically, Yahoo's own welcome email. Yahoo is so serious about security that they put themselves in spam. So you can see for your security, we disable, if you believe it's safe to use, mark it as not spam. So what you're going to want to do, and let's see, how do you even mark stuff as not spam? Let's see, I'm guessing, yeah, so we're going to mark it as not spam. So then now that we've marked it as not spam, we can see that it's going to be in our normal inbox. So even though you've added me to your contacts or added our company, 9th Street Media, to your contacts, the first time you get an email from any given address in this contact, there is a chance that Yahoo might send it to spam. So, but once you mark it as not spam one time, the first email that you get, the combination of having us in your contacts plus marking it as not spam will trigger Yahoo to never send it to spam again. So again, add each address to email. Check spam. If you find a communication from us in spam, mark it as not spam once. After that, it should always go to your inbox and you should never worry about it going to spam again. Thank you.